To fix the error, you can go to system settings, go to the Apple menu and then go to system settings. Scroll down. At the bottom here you can see printers and scanners. Now over here you will see your brother printer. So you have to delete the brother printer. So the current one, you can click on it. This is just an example. Remove printer, remove printer. And once this is done, now click on add printer over here. And this time go to IP, the globe icon over here. And then over here in the address, you have to enter the printer's IP address. Now you can get the printer IP address on the network configuration. So you can search in Google and you can find the network like IP address, your printer's IP address. You can search in Google and you can get it from the printer screen. And then once you find the IP address of printer, add printer, click on IP over here, and then over here enter the printer's IP address. And then for protocol you have to select over here, select AirPrint, set protocol to AirPrint, and over here type in the IP address of your printer. And once you type in the IP address, make sure printer is on, and then at the bottom you will be able to see your printer. At the bottom you should automatically go to brother printer. You should go to automatically brother once you enter the IP address of printer, and once you select AirPrint, you should be able to see brother printer over here. And then you have to click on add, and once it is added, now you can check. That should help you to fix the error. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.